Ever wanted to be a hacker? In this walkthrough, we'll complete the first 5 levels of the game. To begin, simply accept the offer and then click the Begin Your Run button. At the localhost prompt, enter the command help. This will display a list of commands you can use on this system. Now you'll need to find and read a file, and you can do this by using the ls and type commands. After reading the file, you'll need to enter the run command to continue. That's it! We've just completed the first 5 levels of the game and are on our way to beginning our hacking adventure. Good luck!